we're back. So the Carew, the Rod Carew is actually one of the winners in here for sure. It's $14.50 at the nice condition. So we're gonna hang on to this one. It's off-centered. It's got some treble spots, but it's off-center. It's off-center. But well, you know, we'll see what happens there. We'll see if we pull another one. What do we got? We're looking for the Mahler or the Murray. There's a dead center Mustachio Bill Buckner. Guidry, that's a nice Guidry. That's a nice looking Guidry, dead center. And just that those record breakers are actually pretty high end too. They're all in the $300 to $400 range and a 10. Well, I don't know. Usually you can get 1 or 2 10s out of the box. Depends on who knows what the card is. But the idea is to get as many cards in that range as possible and then see which ones are good condition. There's Raleigh Fingers. I'm not as familiar, you know, when we get out of the 80s, I'm just not as familiar with these players. They're a little bit older. I don't even know some of the All-Stars, which is pretty rough. Whitey Herzog, as a manager. It's kind of cool. It's a nice Griffey. A big smile on Griffey there. You know, it's funny, all the press around Eddie Murray, Nolan Ryan is actually the most valuable card in this set. I guess it's just really difficult to get in good condition. I'd love to see a Yaz or something else. I know, Johnny Bench even, you know, whoever. That's McCovey. There's Dewey. Dewey's been around for a while. Paid from 72 to 90. A lot of rookies. Don Zimmer. This is that's hard to believe. That's like 30 years before them fight with Pedro Martinez. But Pedro won that one. Zimmer was a little bit old. Scrap it up there. Schmidt. Ooh, that's a good looking Schmidt too. That is a nice looking Schmidt. Wow, that is flawless. Just a little off, but that's not enough to push it out of the noise range. All right. Second half. Let's get one of the big winners in here. Let's get a Nolan, a Molitor, or a Murray. Any one of those will be fine. All three would be nice. Would have been nice to have them already. Hey, and there's a Pete Rose. Well centered too. Yahtzee. I like the way that looks today. All right. Now we're getting somewhere. What else we got here? We got something upside down. Who's that? Melvin Dark. Not sure how that got upside down. Torrey! Wow. He looks sick then, too. Jeez Louise. Let's go. Come on, Nolan Ryan. Or Murray Molitor. Another one of these guys. There it is. Yahtzee. Whew. Okay, so it's a little bit off center, but other than that, the corners look great. It's about 60-40 on the front there, maybe 60, 75-25. No, it's about 60-40. But corners look good. Look good. Nice and crisp, nice on the back. Even has a little the little fuzzies. Nice. Okay. Oh, hey. All right. Same kind of condition, same kind of cut, but boy, oh boy, little worse on the centering. That is fun. Let's just get another one in here. Why not? So to those of the people who say you get the exact same cut in the same vending box, I say, you're wrong. This guy on the right is much better centered than the guy in the left. And they're off in different ways, but that is just fantastic. Two Murrays. Wow. Whew. That is just terrific. Can't complain about that. You need a little Molitor action in here, a Nolan. I mean, for the many times I saw Mike Caldwell, Bump Willis too, in these decks, these things I've opened, man, it's nice to see two doubles up of a guy like that. Sutter. Sandy Alomar. A lot of rookies up here now. There's Jack Clark. Nice ink stain on Gene. Oh, that's nice to get a couple of those. And that PSA 10s are probably two, maybe I don't know, we'll see. But one of them's a little bit off center to deal with that. But still, can't complain with a couple Eddie Murrays popping out of it. In order too, like, I mean, within two cards of each other. It's pretty impressive. Sometimes they just hit and hit, like you get 6 in a box. That's happened to me before. Dale Murphy rookie. Booyah. Boy, I forgot about Dale Murphy, Lance Parrish. That's a cool card, and that one's well centered. A little off left to right, but boy, that's cool. I didn't even realize this was in here. Dale Murphy and Lance Parrish. Dale Murphy, 6'4", 210. That's my size. That's not bad. Look at that, left to right. Pretty nice. Can't complain. Good corners. Happy, happy, happy. Yeah, that's a nice card. Off left to right, but whatever. Still, Nolan Ryan. That's kind of cool. Well, everything after this is really just peaches and cream. Oh, and that's another nice Pete Rose. Wow. These Pete Roses that I've got in here have been really well centered. Maybe he's like in the middle of it or something, but man, if I could get a Nolan out of this or a Molitor, boy, there's another nice Skidry. I want the lone Nolan. All right, we got a little more ways to go. We got probably 100 cards left. Should be 80. Not much in that stack. Brooks Robinson. These record breakers do well. This one's deeply off center, but they have a nice value attached to them. Stargell. Looking solid, a little off left to right, but still looking good. Perfect. Nice corners. Well done. I got pretty much everyone I'd want here except for Molitor, and there's some Rich Gossage, Goose. What a Goose action. You know, other than Molitor and no Bench, but I've got so many Johnny Bench cards now. Just looking for the Nolan and the Molitor. But you know, two Pete Roses, 2 Eddie Murrays. It's really just gravy at this point. Whenever I open boxes like this, my back starts to hurt in the middle of it. There's Keith Hernandez. Let's put him on top there. 75 was his rookie year. We're seeing someone selling them like that. Doug Alt. There's a Phil Necro. The old knuckler, he's been around since '64. Holy smokes. He was pitching in the, he got the 80s cards for sure. I remember seeing him. All right, little Jim Palmer action on the top there. That's pretty cool. Let's get a Nolan out of here. Oh! That is a bad off center. Badly off center. And with some sort of stain there too, but whatever. That thing is 11 grand in PSA 10. I guess it's just impossible to find in PSA 10. It's pretty off center there. Pretty off center. Wow. Robin Yount. That last bit was nice. All right, the tally. 2 Roses, a Rod Carew, a Nolan, 2 Eddie Murray's, Robin Young, Dwight Evans, Willie Stargell, Willie McCovey. Boom, boom, boom. Big hits. Happy, happy. Bye-bye.